gentlemen, the President and CEO of Toyota Motor Corporation, Akio Toyoda.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm pleased to introduce Toyota's new WRC Yaris, which will debut in next year's WRC series. It's been 17 long years since we competed in WRC, so I guess you could say we are well rested. But now we are back, and we've been busy training up in Finland under the leadership of four-time WRC champions, Tommi Mäkinen. Hi, Tommi.
Hi.
Hi, Tommi. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for being Team Toyota this time. You look good. Is this Toyota red or Mitsubishi red?
Better than not say anything.
So how are you feeling about our prospect for WRC?
We're ready, Akio. I wouldn't underestimate our chances.
So in other words, you're sort of confident?
Well, something like that.
Okay, fair enough. I'll see you back in Finland for more testing. Tommi, thank you very much. Tommi Mäkinen, ladies and gentlemen. You know, it's wonderful to be here in Europe, the center of automotive racing, with heritage and brand I've long admired. As a racing fan myself, nothing gives me greater pleasure than test driving one of a vehicle like this new Yaris, built right here in France. But as much as I want to win, and believe me, I do want to win, by the way, just to be clear. I also view racing as an opportunity for us to make ever better cars, to use racing as a real-life laboratories to improve the performance, handling, and durability of our cars. Because to me, if a car is not fun to drive, then what's the point? But besides racing, there are other methods to improve cars, to make them safer, to make them more accessible. You might have been surprised by Microsoft logo on our WRC entry here. Not what you might typically expect for a race car sponsor, but Microsoft is a very important, long-standing partner for Toyota. In fact, I asked Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft, to share a few words with you himself. Let's take a look.
Hi, I'm Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. Thank you, Mr. Toyoda. It's such an honor to have the opportunity to address all of you at the Paris Motor Show. At Microsoft, our mission is to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. Pursuing this mission means forging strong partnerships with leading organizations like Toyota. Since 2011, we've had a strategic partnership with Toyota to create global cloud-based telematics system and provide telecommunications, GPS, and data to the Toyota customers. Recently, we extended that relationship through the collaboration in Toyota Connected. No longer is the car simply a vehicle to travel between two places. It's a connected device that serves as an extension of the person's digital lifestyle. And drivers expect their car's computing power to match its horsepower. I believe that together, Toyota and Microsoft can empower drivers with cars that are more intelligent and connected while improving safety and reliability. On behalf of the Microsoft team, I want to thank you for your partnership, and I look forward to seeing what we can collectively accomplish together. Thank you so very much.
Microsoft has been an investor in our data analytics company, Toyota Connected, making them more than just a software supplier. We are indeed very happy to have Microsoft on our team in a quest to make ever better cars. With 100 million Toyota on the road today, to me, the true benefit of selling all those cars is that we can study and learn from them in order to one day totally eliminate automotive accidents and fatalities. That is one of our primary goals of the newly formed Toyota Research Institute. Its mission? To reach the next frontier in mobility, or put another way, to boldly go where no car has gone before. Led by Dr. Gil Pratt, a hand-picked dream team of engineers and scientists are already hard work at work on projects in the areas of autonomous driving, robotics, and material sciences. Gil and I bonded over our mutual desire to make car accident a thing of the past, but to also make sure the fun of driving remains. Though not widely known, Toyota has been working on the development of autonomous cars for many years now. Gil and his team will be building on this foundation, developing two kinds of autonomy: chauffeur mode and guardian mode. We believe chauffeur mode, or total autonomy, will only be 100% accident-free by testing a minimum of 14.2 billion kilometers, which in practical terms would take a decade of real-world driving. Therefore, the only way to accomplish this goal safely and in a timely manner is through the use of multi-agent computer simulation, which we have developed. Perhaps the greatest reward that will come when chauffeur mode autonomy achieved is the freedom of mobility we'll be able to provide to those who would not otherwise have it. As a mobility partner of the Paralympics, I've heard from many of these individuals firsthand about how important this is to them. And personally, their stories are very motivating to me. The other form of autonomy that we are currently focusing on is guardian mode. In this mode, the car can take over or assist the driver as needed. Not only does guardian mode make the car drive more safely, it also allows our customers to more fully enjoy driving the car. Guardian or assisted autonomy is a natural evolution of our car's current safety features, such as Toyota Safety Sense. And it is a mode of autonomy that you will see come from Toyota first. This WRC Yaris will play a role in our autonomous testing as well. In fact, we won't just be racing. We'll be actively collecting data on how the car handles unique driving conditions during races here in Europe and around the world. This very valuable data will be applied to the development of autonomous vehicles. The funding of the Toyota Research Institute is equal to what we spent developing the first players. So we are serious about what we intend to accomplish. We are also serious about our commitment to the European market and hope that the new Toyota CHR you see displayed here today is proof of that commitment. From racing to robotics, to real-world solutions to make cars more fun and more meaningful to our customers. We at Toyota, along with their partners, are committed to delivering future innovation in automotive technologies. Just as we invented hybrid technology to help decrease emissions and improve the environment, we are also determined to create new innovations for the benefit of not just our customers, but society as a whole. We believe that the most important thing we can do as a company is not just improve how we build cars, but to dedicate ourselves to improving the lives of our customers every day and every way possible. Thank you very much.